Hello guys, my name is David Hernandez. Welcome to Jones Garage. Today you will learn how to check a starter that if it is good, right? So this is what you guys gonna need. You guys gonna need what is a jumper cable. Yeah, this is the positive one, and a battery LTA. This is very powerful. I recommend you. That's a good brand. So this is the starter right here, guys. This is the starter from my neighbor. This morning she called me to check her starter, so we're gonna check it out. So how to check it out? So what you guys need, this is the solenoid. This is the starter right here, and you guys, they put the cable right here, the positive one right here. So we're gonna start. Put the cable on the positive battery pole, and then on the yeah. After that one, you're gonna get the same positive one. You're gonna put it right here. You see the long one right here. You put the cable. Okay. After that, you're gonna put right here the housing of the starter. So you're gonna stick it on the negative, right here. Okay. So you're gonna take the cable and you're gonna do together, right? Look at it. Click, stick it together. Yeah, right now it's gonna work. It's kicking, guys. 1 second. You see right now. See, you spin right now, just a little bit. It's working, guys. So that's how to check the starter, right? So you like the video, guys? Give a like, subscribe to my channel. Okay. Thank you so much. I will appreciate your like. Thank you so much. I'll see you in another video. Okay.